year or so since I've owned a 3D printer, I haven't had many occasions to use support structures, but there have been a couple and this is one of them. And as you can see, the support structure on the left is fine and snapped away without a problem, but the one on the right was malformed and wouldn't snap away. It didn't affect the way the part was used, so I just left it in place and forgot about it. And actually, I've never had a smooth ride using Repetier with Slicer generating support structures. I suppose I can man up and solve the issue, but I haven't done that yet. Well, here's a recent situation where I found myself needing to use a support again. These are spectrometer camera support frames. Version 6 there didn't print quite well enough. It needed supports, and so version 6a incorporates a support. It's this structure at the back here, this tower, which supports the top of the hoop. But I added this support manually rather than climb back in the ring with Slicer. So this support tower, as you can see, doesn't actually touch the top of the hoop which it supports. And if we look at the bottom, we see it's floating in mid-air. It's not connected at the bottom either. And that was implemented by adding a thin shim of hole, as TinkerCAD vernacular has it, a spacer really, which is 0.5 millimeter high. Well, when you print it, the structure's stable enough, the column stands up and is resilient, but the bonding between the support column and the top and bottom is very weak because fusing has not taken place, so it provides support but it's easily broken away. So in some cases, in some projects, adding supports manually is the better option. You've got complete control, it's quick and easy to do, it works really well, and there is no chance that the software is going to let you down. So it's another option, another tool in your box.